Railways is undergoing a major technological transformation aimed at enhancing safety, efficiency, transparency, and innovation. Recently, the Union Minister of Railways launched the Rail Tech Policy 2026, the Rail Tech Portal, மற்றும் the E-Railway Claims Tribunal in New Delhi, marking a significant step toward digital modernization. The Rail Tech Policy promotes large-scale adoption of modern technologies across railway operations. It emphasizes artificial intelligence, data-driven governance, and smart monitoring systems to improve safety and service delivery. AI-based applications are being introduced for elephant intrusion detection to prevent accidents, fire detection systems in course, trap-based track inspections, and abstraction detection during fog conditions. These initiatives enhance passenger safety and operational reliability. The Rail Tech Portal serves as a collaborative platform allowing startups, innovators, and industry partners to submit proposals and pilot projects, fostering public-private partnerships and innovation within Indian Railways. Further, the E-Railway Claims Tribunal enables online case filing, tracking, and faster adjudication with plans to digitize all 23 regulars within a year. This improves transparency and access to justice. These reforms are part of India Railways' broader plan of implementing 52 reforms in 52 weeks, aiming to modernize infrastructure, improve efficiency, and align with Digital India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. In conclusion, technology integration in India Railways reflects a shift towards smart government, enhanced safety, and sustainable transport, strengthening its role in India's economic development.
இது போன்ற தகவல்களை அறிய இணைந்திருங்கள் புதுயுகத்துடன்.